Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, reviewing, testing of this HealthForYou by Silvercrest. Activity tracker tracks your step, kilometers, calories burned, active minute and sleep. Clock and day display alarm with a vibration plus alert for calls, text and notification. Free HealthForYou app available for download, iOS and Android. Bluetooth connection, steps, kilometers, we can see some pictures. 3 years warranty from Lidl. Let's see some pictures available on App Store and Google Play. Oh, that's nice. Let's open it to see what we have inside. We have some manual. Of course, if you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me. You're gonna find out all about this. Right in the corner, you can see my other video about the Xiaomi. Oh, my lovely packets. Well, how we cannot love this one. And here's the cable. I can see already it is a magnetic charging. Oh, let's see closer, see how it looks. For charging, you can see it's very convenient. I like the charging. You can see this two metal goes here, magnetic charging. And let's connect it to my power bank to see. Okay, we can see the model, size, and it's charging. We've got a battery inside, it's nice. It's already on. Now, we have some settings here. Smile, yeah, off. Now we need to connect it to the app. Download the app from the Play Store. Just scan the box. Okay, let's open HealthForYou. Continue without registration. Agree. You can put some of your personal information. Next, continue without. Then we can add, where is my device? Add a new device. It is the SAS 82. Next, allow. Next, next. Allow again. Next. Okay, allow. Next, request code. Okay, setting for the band. Confirmation, here's the band. Next, display. You can see when you're going to put it on your right wrist on or your left. Function, if you want to see into the monitor here, into the display, the colors icon, distance, what is suitable for you, daily target, status, alarm. Here you can change the alarm. Nice. Notification about call, messages, display, tasks. Sleep mode, automatic sleep mode. You can arrange when your band it will go to sleep. Move reminder, it reminds you when you are sitting in your couch it's time to move on and make some exercise. Add. The data synchronization can take up to 2 minutes. It will synchronize with the band. We have changing, you can see day, clock, everything is changing now. Fully synchronized. And done. Connected, it says. That's nice. You can see the colors, the distance that you have made, direction, the target, steps. Everything is here. Activity. This is for other devices, that are the temperature, the pulse oximeter, etc. We are going to see in my next videos how you can work with these devices. Well, overall I think it's a nice band. It costs about 25 euros. We have seen how it's working the app. And let's put it to my hand to see how it looks. Well, here we are. It's time for do some adjustments. We are using the left hand. Okay, that's nice. And now we need to synchronize. Synchronize is okay. Activity. And now we are in the left hand and we can see again the activity here. As you're running, the calories you're burning, the distance, timer, how much percent you've got in a day. And here is a little disappointed. We didn't do anything yet for exercise. Okay. Well guys, I think overall for the price 25 euros, it's a nice band. Why not if you want something like that for testing your exercise every day? It's nice to get it. The app, it's a little bit slowly and it has to do about the synchronization between the band and the smartphone. I'm sure they will get some firmwares and updating the app and the band. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.